Hi guys, it's Ray again from Mezanar. Bali, hindi to house, hindi to commercial building or condominium. This is a lot property only. This property is in Georgia Club. And Georgia Club is inside Santa Elena City. Which is itong dinadaanan natin ngayon. Na magubat, kalmado, alam mo yun. Ganda. So what's up guys, while waiting for the client na magti-tripping today, tour ko muna kayo dito sa subdivision in Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Bali, we're here at Georgia Club, Nuvali. As you can see here, dito yung mga amenities, dyan yung office, dyan yung lobby, basketball court meron, ano pa ba? Yan, ganyan yung mga house. If I'm not mistaken, parang Southern American style yung house nila. And from there, kung saan tayo naglakad, from the gate, makikita from here, the entrance papunta dito. And here's our lot. Ito lang tayo, ito lang yung lote natin. Yan lang mismo sa may corner lot. Itong corner lot, bali hindi to tatayuan ng structure, if I'm not mistaken, kung tama yung sinabi ng developer. Pero yung sa atin, katabi kasi neto, so parang almost corner lot, tawagin natin ka. Yan, bali 204 square meters. I-request pa kasi natin yung muhon, kailangan may bumili muna. So anyways, hintayin ko kayo guys, sakaling may mga interested, PM me lang ako guys. Let's go. Di pa pala tapos guys. Sorry, mapakita ko pa pala yung lobby. Yan, wala, napakita ko na yung lote. Ganda dito guys, diba? Feeling ko nandito na yung client. Yan, bali nag-stop lang tayong konti kasi nag-chat na si client, so parating na sila. Pero yan, ito yung office dyan, admin office, and check out nyo guys yung lobby. This is where Georgia Club welcome their visitors. Pasok nyo, ganda dito, lobby. And then doon, swimming pool. They have a playground pero sa ibang place here inside the subdivision. So I think okay naman, pakita ko na yung lot and yung vibe ng pinaka subdivision. So again, this is a 204 square meter lot, Southern American style na house. Message me guys. Bye.